Are you nervous about speaking English at a hospital? Don't worry. Learn these useful sentences with me.
Excuse me, where is the reception?
It's on the first floor.
I would like to see a doctor.
Do you have an appointment?
No, I don't. Can I see the doctor today?
Yes. Please wait here.
Good morning. What seems to be the problem? I have a headache. How long have you had it? I've had it since yesterday. Do you have any other symptoms? Yes, I have a sore throat. Do you have any allergies? No, I don't. No, I don't. Okay. You may need a blood test. Where can I get the test done? At the laboratory. Where is the laboratory? It's on the ground floor. I'll prescribe some medicine. How often should I take it? Take one pill every 12 hours. Make sure to take it after meals. Twice a day after meals. Before or after meals? After meals. Excuse me, where is the pharmacy? It's next to the main entrance. Do you have this medicine? Yes, we do. How much does it cost?
Let's revise 4 useful sentences. Where is the reception? What seems to be the problem? How often should I take it? Where is the pharmacy? Quick test. What do you ask when you need to find the pharmacy?
Where is the pharmacy?
Correct. Follow for more practical English.